Every second you scroll, someone else is getting richer from their phone. And it's not magic, it's method. Quick cut to upbeat music, light humor tone. But hey, keep scrolling if you love broke mornings and ramen noodles at 28. Shift back to serious tone. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to start making real money online with $0, just your phone. No fluff, no crypto cult, just smart, free hustles that actually work in 2025. Visual. Tired young adults staring at their phone, overwhelmed by side hustle advice. Let's be real. You've seen the fake gurus, the $999 courses, the endless promises of passive income. But here's the truth. Most people fail because they chase money without building leverage. Also, stop trying to resell digital potato peelers on Etsy. No one asked for that. The secret isn't working harder. It's using what's already in your hand, your phone, to build income streams that stack. 1. High-paying remote microtasks. 30-second visual. Phone screen showing remote tasks, ClickWorker, and MindSumo. Narrator. Sites like ClickWorker and MindSumo pay you for data annotation, surveys, and problem solving, all from your phone. It's not glamorous, but it trains your brain and builds your cash flow while you learn higher skills. And speaking of skills, what if you could turn your screen time into a skill worth $50 an hour? 2. AI-assisted freelance services, 30-second visual. Phone with ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut Mobile. Leverage free AI tools. With ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut, you can offer services like copywriting, video editing, and social media posts. No degree, no experience, no laptop. Sites like Fiverr and Contra are your launchpads. Yes, this means that scrolling TikTok could actually make you money, if you're the one creating, not consuming. Every moment you delay, the digital wealth gap widens. The question is, are you going to be a consumer or a creator? You already hold the tool, your phone. The only thing missing is action. Pause. Beat of silence. Start small. Stay consistent. Stack the wins. And if you want to turn that trickle of income into generational wealth, tap here to watch this next video where I break down the power of compounding, the one financial secret that turns side hustles into empires. Don't miss it.